Welcome to your learning journey. On the Learn page, start with the Overview tab to track your progress and see your subject performance. Now, click the Strengths tab. As you complete more work, this area will show you the subjects where you are excelling. Next, click on Growth Areas. Here, EduGenius identifies the subjects that could use a little more focus to help you improve. Click the Opportunities tab. Keep up your learning rhythm to uncover personalized suggestions for what to tackle next for optimal growth. Finally, select the Blind Spots tab. This view helps you find any gaps in your learning that you might have missed along the way. Scroll down to review your recommended next steps. Click Generate to instantly create a personalized quiz or revision notes for a specific subject. Click any subject card to see a detailed topic breakdown. You'll find specific areas to focus on, like consistency or format variety.